Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. Um, very recently, like a month ago, you saw me unbox and review these JBL Live 660 NC, that stands for noise cancelling. And they have been my go-to headphones this last month, and I actually like them much more than I thought I would, mostly because they fit my big ears. After a long day, I can feel them touching my right ear just a little bit, but I like them. As I said in the earlier video, there is some more to ask for in the noise cancelling department, but they're nice, um, comfortable, yada yada yada. And then a month later, JBL releases these that seems to be very similar. They are called JBL Tour 1, and the sizing of the elements is still 40 millimeters in these as well in these. They brag about microphones, making good phone calls, whatever, yada yada yada, noise cancelling. Let me see what they say. True adaptive noise cancelling, smart ambient, just like those. Smart audio and video mode, I think those had that as well, so you can sync if there are some lagging in the video. Extended 25 hours active noise cancelling battery with silent now. Yeah, that's right. What these lack and these have is that you can use the noise cancelling without music. That is something that I have been asking for, because sometimes I just want everything to be quiet without music, and these are supposed to be able to do that. Hands-free voice control, accurate voice call with 4-mic technology. And the reason why I bought these, I don't even have a knife on me. So the reason why I bought the new ones, yeah, first of all, I live by that whole thing. Newer and more expensive is better. But they seem very similar to these, just that they have spent more money on them. So the ear cup seems bigger. We have padding on the top of the head, and we have a hard case, traveling case, instead of the pouch. So yeah, more expensive, more exclusive. I don't know. No, not exclusive. That was a bad word for it. This is nice. Let me show you the unboxing. Oh, never mind. You can see from where you are. So we have the hard case. I like the hard cases when traveling, and I hope they don't need to be bigger, but I hope they are bigger. You said there are some difference. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. It's a nicer pair of headphones. You feel that right away, actually. And the price are double. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly the double, I think, from these. Small flat cable for listening without power. Dual. So yeah, this is sort of JBL's high-end luxury headphones. You feel that right away. We have a completely different finish. What these were lacking, the foldable thing, these do that. And we have adjustment here and no, so adjustment here, and they can lay flat, and they are black chrome shiny, and you have the padding here, but the ear cups are just as big. Okay, so they are slightly larger but thinner. So that's not good. Larger but much thinner cups. Let's see how they feel. Yeah, the cups are bigger. Perfect size for me. The passive noise cancelling is not as good, because when I put these on, everything gets quiet right away, just because of the passive noise cancelling. How the cups close in and closes out all the noise. These does not do that, but that also means that they might be more natural to have phone calls in. So yeah, is there anything more? Yeah, instructions. We had a charging cable, everything in here. So before I end this part of the video, because I want to do the review in like a month or something, like I did with those, so I really want to try them out. But actually they look a little bit too nice to have like I do. I used to throw it in my backpack and just do whatever with them. These might be a little bit too nice for that. So still no active touchpad. Let me see what JBL says. True adaptive noise cancelling, struggle to find your space, create your own environment, yada yada yada. So we have that whole thing that the noise cancelling works even without music. JBL Pro Sound high-res certified. So they are supposed to have more bass, better sound than the cheaper ones that actually aren't cheap. They're still 200 euro. Yeah, 200 euro. From rich, punchy bass to thrilling top notes, yada yada yada. But the elements are still 40 millimeters. 40 millimeter dynamic drive is used as in those. Yep. 4 mic technology. I'm pretty sure that these did not have 4 mic technology. No perfect stereo calls. So these should be better for making phone calls. Yeah, that's it. And they are, I was on the US side, they are cheaper in your country as always, $300. Here in Sweden they cost 360 euro or more, I think. So they are among, not, yeah, Sony pricing. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, Sony pricing. Now I'm talking too much, so I'm gonna test them. I think the app is just as good, or the app is the same, but the app functions should be the same with these. Yeah, the passive noise cancelling is much better in these. So that makes me curious how the noise cancelling without music will work when the passive noise cancelling isn't as good as these. But once again, I think that will only make the phone calls better. This will be only the unboxing. Thanks for watching.